I'm Jasmine Thibodeau. Thank you for joining us for our KDNS News Channel at 5. We begin tonight in Vermilion Parish, where one man is thanking KATC for helping get an issue resolved. The Abbeville man says he had been dealing with flooding in his neighborhood for years. That is until city officials cleared out nearby drainage ditches following our Vermilion Parish reporter Penelope Lopez's story late last year. Today, Penelope is checking back in following today's rainfall. Penelope?
I'm Penelope Lopez, your Vermilion Parish reporter, and I'm following up with residents in an area that's been prone to flooding in the past. Back in December, I spoke with some residents who said they were frustrated with the ongoing drainage issue. Here's what they have to say and what it looks like now.
After countless of times reaching out to no avail, we had no choice but to go to the news. And it makes us feel better to know that basically, we reached out and we got results.
North Subdivision resident Ron Landry says he no longer dreads when it rains.
We had a very, very, very bad drainage problems where, individuals couldn't get in and couldn't get out to go to work because of the high waters.
The housing unit has one road that leads in and out, and last year homeowners were either risking damaging their cars or waiting for the water to subside for them to leave the property. We saw scenes of residents leaving their cars and walking through the flood to get to the other side.
Nobody can't leave from the subdivision because of the water.
Ron says roughly 1 week after our story aired, they were getting the help they requested.
We called KATC to try to get some rectifications, and we did. And we're just grateful because now people can go back and forward to work. People don't have to worry about, their cars being damaged.
Ron's major concern was his elderly mother.
This is the family wall.
Yes.
The main concerns was, for me, was having a mom, that's up in age. And if anything was to transpire, we couldn't get in and out, So now, compared to now, people is flowing.
While KATC has not independently confirmed the cause of the flooding, residents say the issue improved after the city cleaned up the trash built up in the drains. Ron says after living in the complex for 10 years, he finally feels heard.
We seen that the city came out and they opened up all the drainage. The mayor came out, the city workers came out, we conversated with them, and we didn't get no backlash.
KATC reached out to city officials regarding when the cleanout took place, but have not heard back. Ron says he spoke with the mayor and he's grateful for her help.
And if you have a story you would like me to know about, you can contact me using the information on your screen. Reporting in North Abbeville, I'm Penelope Lopez, your Vermilion Parish reporter.